You'll need 4 dense video of alcohol free with their differentiates. At the first clip, add the dense practice video. Now go in the time you want to dose transition, then split and delete the excess. Now adjust the duration to 3.6 seconds. Adjust the formato 9:16, then zoom the clip to fit in. Now add keyframe and move the clip on different side. Make sure that the 2 last KF is on the person you want to edit. Now I admin as dance video thank him and find the next move of our first clip. Should be like this. Adjust it to 3.0 seconds, then add the 2 different video and do the same process. Now add the audio. I will put the link in my description box. Click our first clip, copy it, then move it to the end of the project. The first keyframe should be the end of this clip, then adjust the duration to 3.2 seconds. Go to our fan cam dance video, then go to style and add auto velocity. It will have changes, so just adjust it, then do it to the next clips. Now click the box between the clips to add transition. Add from camera. Pull in. Apply to all. Now add brokenless overlay. I will put the link in my description box. Splice. Filter duration, 3.0 seconds. Now add smoke sticker. Now copy the overlay, then put it on the other next clip. Now we're done. Thanks for watching.
The